sister, Lucy. Welcome to our very first channel video. Before we get started, click that subscribe button.
Turn the notification, give us a huge thumbs up. Today we are making slime.
So first we need to get some borax
And dissolve it in warm water.
Here, take your turn. Some hot water into our bowls.
Pour it all in.
And we're gonna get our glue. Well, guys, I have a glow-in-the-dark glue. It says new, great for slime, and she has.
And I got a pink one. Then making slime.
How much glue do you put in?
All of it.
All of it.
Their audience. Say hi, audience.
Hi, audience.
No, you're the audience. You say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Now.
Now we are gonna.
Wait,
Looks like ours is dissolved.
not all the way.
Guys, it looks like it's like weird. It looks weird.
Oh, yours is so weird.
This is too. Whoa, look at that.
How's it doing, Lucy?
Good.
No, this is not mine.
Then you gotta let it dry, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
How long does it take to dry, girls?
like
about
1 minute.
1 hour.
No, 1 minute.
1 minute. Hey, do you guys want to finish your video now?
Yep.
So-
So you guys.
There's little sister. Say hi, Lily.
I hope you guys liked our video. We're gonna let it dry for 1 minute. Alexa, set it
No, Lucy, I would let it dry for like an hour or two.
an hour.
Yeah,
I'm
Claire.
gonna let it dry.
So, Trinity and Madison, we hope you watch our video.
And guys, if you have any suggestions, subscribe and tell us what we should do next time, because this is all we could think of.